things I've learned the hard way. The sound of welding slag hitting earwax is one you'll never forget. When welding in a crouched position, it's important to protect your junk. Slag that has burned a hole in your man bits can be gently removed with a tweezer. They put guards on these things for a reason. I discovered this one day by accident when one jumped up, shredded my arm, cut my lip and nose in half. Set your broken bones as soon as you can. By the time the doctors get to them, the endorphins wear off and the whole experience begins to suck. The human eye goes into self-cleaning mode while you sleep. You'll find all the metal that got shot into it the day before right up here in the corner. It's okay to tape the ends of your fingers back on again. Just do it right away. If you crack an AC line next to a kerosene heater, you made phosgene gas, just like the Nazis did. Crawl away quickly and you may live. An exiled Egyptian doctor that works for an outlaw biker club will do just as good a job on your shattered tibia as any American hospital. You'll save thousands and he'll have the best dope. And finally, that clear liquid that bubbles up from your third-degree burns and turns into that weird goo, that's your new skin. Don't clean it off. And make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, Uncle Tony's Garage. Every month, one random subscriber gets a free fucking pizza.